Throughout Halloween night on the Northwestern Railway, there have been so many tales and myths been told. Some were well known and usually gives frights to the other engines as a little bit of a Halloween spirit. While others were more darker. When the other engines brought it up, they give other engines or diesels nightmares in the worst way. But there was one story forgotten till now. Many years ago, when the Tidmouth, Knapford, Elsbridge and Wellsworth were still running, there was a quarry running along the coast of Farquhar. And once, there was a tank engine who used to love running this quarry, long before Mavis arrived when dieselization hit. This is what happened. Huh? Where the bloody hell am I? I mean, it wouldn't hurt to look around. And that's kinda started his story. Every time, his brakes immediately came on and off, causing him to crash out on buffers. The engines there rarely talk to him, but when they do, they always saw a face of guilt and sadness. No one ever knew why he had this personality, and no one even understood. Due to his mysterious and introvert behavior, everyone called him Phantom, and somehow the name stuck to the engine like it's glue. He usually leaves the quarry looking at the bright sky, day or afternoon. No one knew why though, but to them, it felt like a sense of peace for the engine. But unknowns to them, worse was about to come within the following days.
You had one job, Jonathan, and you screwed it up like the idiot you are!
But, sir, it's a one-off build. What else do you expect me to do?
Oh, I don't know. Probably you shouldn't have given faulty brakes. None of this could have happened. Our quarry is losing a lot of money thanks to him, and I don't know what to do about it.
But, sir, there is always the chance of potential, you know?
I don't want to hear about it. Go! Now!
Alright, fine.
I knew I shouldn't have trusted him building that engine.
But they did not know that day would come sooner than expected. Alright, old boy, let's get some shunting ready. Phantom? Hello? Phantom? Are you listening? Oh yeah, I'm listening. I'll go now. What's that sound? I might as well go check it out. Whoever's in there, come show yourself, now!
Welcome, I've been expecting you.
What are you?
To answer your question, I'm a primitive god. Come, check.
Check on what?
My final piece.
Who is it?
You see, now come on, join me.
Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, stupid brakes. Work, please. Don't fail me now. Please, don't drag me in there. Please, no.
And that was it. Phantom just disappeared. Hours after Phantom's disappearance, a search party was held for him. They looked around the entire quarry, especially the shaft where Phantom disappeared. And yet, no results were found. It seemed like the whole engine disappeared without a trace. And with that, the quarry decided to keep one engine and send the rest back. The final engine that was staying was a coffee pot, until it was replaced. When Mavis heard about it, she was distraught. How an entire engine would disappear like that? But that story did make her shut up for a few days. Some engines who used to work at the same quarry really missed Phantom, wondering if he didn't go anywhere or where he could have been. At least he would be alright, but unknowns to them, Phantom would never return again. Some engines reminisced the days of that engine, giving every moment of their lives to pay tribute to him. Walter was especially one of them. He was decently close to Phantom, even though he was introverted. Walter knew that one day, Phantom could move on, or start a new life in another timeline. Phantom's unknown mystery was so dark, even the cockiest of engines felt terrified whenever it was mentioned around them. But there's been rumors and mysteries about his occurrence. Some believed in the first theory, where the engine might have been reincarnated into a new body, forgetting about his tragic past and his friends. Some believe that Phantom finally let go of his past and finally moved on to the afterlife, freeing his soul from the torture. While others believed in the most darkest of them all. Whenever the owl hoots or the moon shines, you could faintly hear a whistle, then puffing, and soon an engine comes into shape, haunting the line, plunging into eternal darkness, forever refusing to move on. But I can believe all three theories could be possible. Don't you?